Welcome back to Spectrum News 1, everybody. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr with a look at your forecast here on this Thursday morning. And now that we're into October, we continue to lose daylight by quite a bit every day. We're kind of in that phase where we're taking 2 steps backwards for every step forward. And you can see the impact it's having on our daytime high temperatures, our average highs. So today, upper 70s, but by the end of the month, only into the mid 60s. So a big time degree drop here. You'll be reaching for that jacket, maybe that hoodie more and more as we get deeper into October. And you can see in the short term above average starting today through the weekend. And then as we get into next week, those temperatures go back below average for a pretty extended period. I'll show you that here in the extended in just a minute. Other than that, watch for the patchy morning fog, especially along the Ohio River. Other than that, lots of sunshine, temperatures warmer than what we saw on Wednesday, back into the upper 70s and into the 80s. Futurecast will show you all that sunshine this afternoon. It really hangs around through this evening. You have outdoor planes, you got nothing to worry about. Maybe the kids have football or soccer practice, something like that. No issues whatsoever. By tomorrow morning, maybe a little bit of patchy fog redeveloping. We'll see those morning lows in the 50s as you head back to work to wrap up the work week. And then by the lunch hour tomorrow, again, very comfortable upper 70s to around 80. So for an hour or two, a few of you, especially in Bowling Green, might sneak into the lower 80s. We'll see that morning patchy fog quickly dissipating, transitioning to plenty of sunshine. Notice everybody should hit 80 or 81 for the most part today across the entire region. A very, very nice day. And then lows tonight back into the 50s. Then our attention turns to the second half of the weekend, where we'll see a pretty strong cold front roll in here. Right now we've got highs in the lower 80s, not just today but for the next couple of days. But by Sunday, here comes that big dip in the jet stream, and that will transition our highs back into the 60s and maybe lower 70s into next week, because we'll have that persistent northerly and northwesterly flow. So yeah, it'll definitely cool things down. And you can see here, yeah, we're above average the next several days through Sunday. That front passes maybe a stray shower, but right now keeping things dry. And then by the time we get to Monday, look at those high temperatures, struggling to get out of the 60s during the day and only into the lower 70s.